Well, good morning. Welcome back to the farmstead. This morning we are making another recipe that was my granddaddy's. We're making rum balls because it is that time of year when all the wonderful little treats get their time in the spotlight. And this is definitely one of them. So I've got 2.5 cups of vanilla wafers that I chopped up. And I've got 1 cup of semi-sweet morsels that I've melted. To that, we're going to add, let's see, let me get my recipe right. Corn syrup, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. And a trick when you're using corn syrup is to spray whatever container it's going to come out of. And it should just slip right out. We'll see. Cross your fingers. Make sure you got the right tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of light corn syrup. See? Slid right out. Love it when a plan comes together. All right. Lay this on there. You sit right there. All right, we're going to mix that together. And to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of rum. Okay, give a measuring thing. Be right back. And I'm using just a clear rum. A light rum. All right, 1/2 cup. Right there. In we go. We're making a mess. We always make a mess. That's part of the fun. What if I got a little whisk? Little whisk. There we go. Now to our vanilla wafers, we're going to add 1 cup of chopped pecans. Now these were chopped when I got them, but I chopped them a little better. Just because I don't want any big chunks. Now to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. And to that, we're going to add our chocolate mixture. Everybody in the pool. All right. I'm going to stir this up to get it really good and combined. All right, we're good and combined. We're going to cover this with a piece of plastic wrap. And we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes. And then we'll come back and we'll make balls out of it. In the meantime, we need to clean the kitchen. Yay! Here we go. See you in a bit. Okay, 30 minutes later. The kitchen is all tidied up. Dishwasher's loaded. We've got clean hands. And we're going to roll some balls. So once we get them rolled, we're going to roll them into, I have the crumbs from the vanilla wafers. I have a few more pecans. We've got some sprinkles and some just clear, you know, sprinkle decorating thingies. Get some of those. Get some red, green, and white sprinkles. Would be a little festive. All right, let's see how this goes. So we're gonna get a scoop. I've got my smallest scoop. Look at there. Roll it up. Let's try the sprinkles first. Nice. I've got my little mini muffin tin lined with these small little liners. We're gonna put those right in there. And once this is just a great way to hold them while they set up. And then we'll put them on a nice little serving platter. All right, let's try the pecans. Now you could also use powdered sugar. You could use coconut. You could use different kinds of nuts if you like almonds. Chopped almonds would be good. You could dip these into almond bark and cover them. Make like a truffle. What do we like? Cookies. Rolling some cookies. Rolling, rolling, rolling. All right. Look at there. Now we'll just keep going. There we go. How easy is that? Now, we're going to let these set up for about an hour, and then we'll arrange them on our little serving dish. There we go. All ready to go. Special just for this season. Or any time of year, really. Let's give one a try. Oh, the chocolate. Just a hint of the rum. The nuts. Oh, that's a winner in my book. Thanks for watching. See you next time.